Hello everyone, today I want to show you two devices that made my life really much easier, especially while working from home. So let's imagine that you have a small desk like I have and just one monitor, and you don't have enough space to keep let's say two mice, two keyboards and two monitors, one for your personal laptop or personal computer and one for your company's laptop. These two devices came really handy while switching to working from home a couple of years ago, and I will explain you in detail what each of them are doing. So let's start with the first one, and this is basically a HDMI splitter. This will allow you to use one monitor for two devices, not simultaneously, but you can easily change between them. So this is the whole idea, that you will be able to switch. Let's say you are working and then you want to take a break and work on a personal project on your personal computer, and you don't have to unplug everything and plug it in your personal computer. You just have to press a button. So this allows you to use a monitor on both your company laptop, let's say, and your personal computer. It has two in HDMIs. So one HDMI will go to your PC, into your video card, and the other one into your laptop's HDMI. And this is the out HDMI, it will go into the monitor. And in one position, it will get the source, the data source from, let's say, the computer. After pressing it, it will get the source from the laptop. This one, it's doing basically the same, but it's related to USBs. So you can plug here your mouse, your keyboard, your headphones, and maybe a tablet. It also has two in USBs. One will go to your personal computer and one to your laptop. It has an additional charging port. Let's say it doesn't hold the battery, but if you want to use it on USB 2.0, you have to provide additional power if you are using multiple devices, and you'll have 4 out USB, so you can plug your headphones or mouse, your keyboard, and a thumb drive, let's say. And also you have a button where you can switch between sources. For this one, there's not so much to say. I will add some pictures with the box that came in. It's just this device in the box. It's metal, so this is a good thing. You can't drop it because it will be hanging, most probably. This is all plastic, and I think this one, because I have two sets, and this one broke after 1 year and a half, and it still works, but if I want to use, let's say, all 4 ports, and for one device I will use USB 2.0, it will disconnect from time to time one of the devices. So this came just with one small box. For this one, this is the box. It's from green, and beside this device you will also have included two USB A to A cables, and you can use them for the source. So here one to the PC, from this to PC, and one from this to laptop. They're, I think, 1.5 meters, so you don't need to search for additional cables, USB A to USB A. So the setup, I will show you in a second. The setup looks something like this. I need to change my mouse pad. So I have the monitor plugged to the PC and the laptop, and let me just, okay, this is better. So on my personal computer I have the YouTube Studio opened, and on the laptop I have the Google opened with searching for the word trigger page. So I'm not sure how much can you see, but I will try to bring it closer. So here we have the HDMI, and here we have the one for the USBs. So let's see how it works. Now I have the computer plugged in, and I can scroll, I can type something like word driver, and it will show me all my videos related to word driver. And also you can see here that we have the components for my personal computer. And if we want to switch to the laptop, we just have to press this button or HDMI, and now we have the laptop as a source, but the keyboard and the mouse is still on my personal computer, so we just have to press this button, and it just takes a second and it's switched. As you can see, it's now working. I can go to the word driver page, and also you can see here it's an older laptop, but it's just for demonstrating the purpose. So it really comes in handy switching between two devices. So they're quite cheap. I'm not sure if it's necessary to share the links. You can find them both on Amazon or on AliExpress, I think. And one for the USBs is around $10, and this one is around $7 if I'm not mistaken, or even less. I think you can get it for $5. Yeah, so these are really cool devices that will make your life easier. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and see you in the next one. Cheers.